Like, subscribe, and share.
How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my kitchen. How many people have an Instant Pot? I really like mine. I use it a lot. A lot of people are afraid of an Instant Pot. They're afraid of a pressure cooker. There's no need to be. It's a very, very useful tool in the kitchen, especially whenever you stay busy like we do. Okay, I'm planning on making a dish later today with chicken, but first I have to cook the chicken. So instead of cooking it on the stove in a pot for a long time, I'm going to use my Instant Pot. Okay, so I have 3 huge bone-in chicken breasts. I'll put them in my Instant Pot. Okay. And I'm going to add a ½ cup water. I have these little cheat sheets that I bought off Amazon that tells how long to cook things. It gives the defrosted time and also how much time to add for frozen. So this is bone-in chicken breast and I need to cook it for 20 minutes on high. So I'm going to put it in the Instant Pot, turn it on, and when it gets finished, I'll show you what we're going to do with it. Alright, our chicken has got done cooking and the pressure has dropped off the Instant Pot. So I'm going to take it out, put it in a bowl, and let it cool. Those are some huge pieces of chicken. I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes, then we're going to shred it. I can use this for a couple of different recipes.
Like, subscribe, and share.